This is farm I'm talking about. This is their feed mill where they mix feed, and this is one of the piggery house. This is number one. This is the pits where all the waste goes to. This is the reservoir. That's number two structure, number two building. That's number one, that's number two. I'll see how tall the building is. Number three. This number three. Number three. And this number four. Number four. Number four. And this number five. Can you see how big the structure is, the building is? They have more than 7,000 animals. And they build the block themselves. They build the block themselves. Build the block themselves. Is another one. This is another structure. They have palm. This is another structure. And this is the feed mill. This is another storage we they have here. And this is number six. This feed mill. This is one of their staffs. This is another structure. This is number six. Can you see? Number six structure. And this number seven. Number seven. And they are still expanding. Can you see? They are still expanding the structures. They still expand. They keep on expanding. Can you see? Let me show you some of the animals here. Show you some of the animals. Some of the animals. Can you see how big they are? You see how big they are? So, okay, they don't have animal here. Yeah, you're welcome.